3 years. That's how long it's been since I posted my last YouTube video. Life has a funny way of changing the script when you think you have a plan. A lot has happened, some painful things, some beautiful things, and some things I don't even have words for. And somewhere along the line, I disappeared from YouTube. Not because I didn't have anything to say, but because I was actively living within the things I would have been speaking about. Over the last few years, life became less about creating content and more about surviving. Motherhood, business, heartbreak, growth, bills, losing friends, more bills. Nobody talks about the expenses of being self-employed. 1 minute you celebrating an invoice getting paid, and the next minute you staring at a tax bill. I wish I was joking, but beneath all of the chaos, something else happened. I was changing. Slowly, quietly, completely. I became a mother, and motherhood has been one of the most beautiful, exhausting, rewarding, terrifying, and enjoyable experiences. It's cracked me open in ways I never expected. It's forced me to grow, to mature, to prioritize, to let go. And speaking of letting go, I've lost some friendships. Some naturally drifted away, some ended painfully, and some needed to end. Because one of the hardest lessons I've learned is not everyone is meant to come with you into your next chapter. Sometimes growth looks less like adding people and more like releasing them. And sometimes those people were very important in your life, but I've had to learn to mourn the people that I love. And grief has a way of changing your perspective on everything. It makes you realize how precious the ordinary days really are. The boring days, the routine days, the days that feel insignificant while you're actively living them. Because one day you look back and realize those are the days that actually built the life that you're currently living. Start paying attention to the small things, to the quiet things, and to the things that you mundanely rush past. Instead of constantly chasing the next milestone, the next goal, the next finish line, start slowing down, living intentionally. Actually lift your head up and look around. Stepping off that hamster wheel long enough to ask myself, what kind of life am I actually trying to live? And that question changed everything. I started focusing on my habits, good habits, simple habits. The kind that don't look exciting on social media, but completely transform your life behind the scenes. Journaling, scripting, eating cleaner, taking care of my mental health, learning how to lower my stress instead of wearing the burnout like a badge. Protecting my peace, protecting my energy, protecting my time. And somewhere along the line, I lost 30 kilograms. 30 kilograms. That's insane when I say it out loud. And before anyone asks, I didn't find a magic tea. I didn't sell my soul. And no, I was not abducted by Pilates fitness influencers either. I just became consistent. Day after day, run after run, choice after choice. I now run 10 kilometers every day. If you follow me on Instagram, you know. And honestly, saying that out loud is crazy, but it's changed my body a lot. And I didn't just jump to 10 kilometers. I started with 4, moved to 6, 7, 8, 9, and now we're at 10. My body's changed, my mindset has changed, my confidence has changed. Honestly, my entire life has changed. At the same time, building a business while studying IT management, trying to be a present mother, trying to be a healthy human, trying to remember where I put my keys, which is a battle that I'm currently losing. And if you've ever tried to balance all those things at once, you know it isn't glamorous. There's no movie montage, there's no inspirational soundtrack, just a lot of early mornings, discipline, a lot of showing up when no one's watching. But that's the reality of the life I'm trying to build. And strangely enough, I love it. It's slower, more intentional, less chasing, more living, less proving, more becoming. And after years of keeping my head down and doing the work, I finally feel ready to share my journey again. Not the polished version, the real version, the messy version, the beautiful version. The version that exists between growth and chaos, between ambition and motherhood, between discipline and healing. And if you've made it this far, there's something else. I'll be traveling soon, so there'll be a lot of that journey as well. And if you know me, I love to travel. I'm always going somewhere. But we're not making that the main character yet. But trust me, you're going to want to stick around for the next chapter. For now, this is what my life looks like. The routines, the habits, the growth, the lessons, the ordinary moments that are quietly creating an extraordinary life. I'll be posting every week from now on, documenting my journey as it unfolds. And yes, I am currently working on my Euro summer body, because apparently running 10 kilometers every day is not enough punishment. So if you want to see the journey, the preparation, the chaos, the growth, and maybe even come to Europe with me, stick around, subscribe, hit the notification bell. I'd love to have you here, and I'll see you in the next video.